So we brought the truck over here. This video is dropping a little bit after the fact. We're actually on the crunch for Chicago truck invasion. By the time this video is dropped, we already went to Chicago, came back. But we have to get this truck up and ready for the show. So I brought it to my boy Miguel so he can check it out and check the little small details that we want to fix on it.
Bad.
Like bad? The paint's horrible? Or?
Yeah, look.
Hey, that was him washing it with a fucking dirty ass glove, bro.
Yeah, you can see it, look. Like even on the hood way, without no fucking light.
Yeah. Que lo miro con los ojos cerrados.
Hey, we're gonna get it right, bro. What? Bro, all of this right here, all of that's gonna be gone, bro. It's gonna look like a mirror. So like what we do, bro, is the first step, clay bar it. So once you clay bar it, it takes all the imperfections out, it does all that. Second step is when you paint correct it. That right there, bro, if you look, all of these scratches.
Yeah, you can see them. Like,
Yeah.
Bad.
All of that's gonna look like a mirror, bro. The clay bar is basically just a clay.
Mm-hmm.
So you spray it, do like that, and so anything
that's like ripped stuck on the paint.
Yeah. You talking about like tree sap, anything like that? We're gonna get everything out.
Oh. You can see it on camera.
I'm gonna do just a little quick one. So that's just one pass right there. You know?
Look at it right
one
there.
pass, bro. But like, see, you got like, that's why it's called a three-stage paint correction. This is the first pass. And even then, I was supposed to clay bar and do that. I skipped it just to kind of, show you a little bit.
Yeah,
but
this is a heavy cut compound, right?
Yeah, so this is heavy cut.
The glossiest one,
No,
right?
no. So instead of, let's say y'all do go with ceramic coating, we wouldn't add any wax on there or any sealing.
Yeah.
We'll go straight to ceramic coating.
See, like these little scratches right here, bro.
We'll take everything off.
Yeah, it'll take it. That's just one pass. So you gotta see from this to that. You see how the darker color it is? Because we're bringing the paint back from the clear.
Yeah, I mean, I guess the best thing to do is to do a paint correction and maybe ceramic way. That way we don't struggle with this shit anymore. 2 to 3 hours more on top of whatever you already do.
Okay, like a paint correction, bro, that's gonna be all day.
Yeah.
But a ceramic coating, that has to be left over 24 hours because if any dirt or if anything gets on it after ceramic coating, it's gonna fuck it up. And then once you do that, like this one right here, look. Man, let me get a thing of water. Hold on. Right here, look. This is ceramic coating. So
It'll be easier to fucking see.
it just beads off. So basically that whole truck, if you do it like that, bro, it's gonna come out badass.
I just want to make sure that whenever we get ready for other shows, like we don't struggle too much to keep up with it again. You know what I mean?
And it's the same thing, right? Whenever you fucking watch, we get it done and everything. Like I said, I'll go to your house or whatever. We'll do or whatever, wherever you want to watch it. We'll do like a free maintenance wash, just to kind of show you how to keep up with it. Because a lot of people think, man, drive-throughs and fucking just it has ceramic, man, it's unbeatable. No, it still has, you still gotta, know how to wash it. Like foam wash it and then fucking just a light wash.
Look, they're gonna start this to Bill. Y'all wanna see it?
Off the bottom of this thing.
Oh, wow.
Built this thing from scratch, bro. Big fuel system. It's got a T-trim blower on it. Full exhaust that I did. All TIG welded and whatnot. Got a few things in it. It's got a Tremec built motor. Makes the power, makes the steam. It's got methanol injection. Yeah, it gets down to Holly in it and everything too.
In my ears.
Enough for me. That's pretty loud.
Before you pass out.
Yeah. I feel a little lightheaded, but.
right, guys, so we just got back. It's been about 2 days, and the truck, I don't even recognize it, man.
Bro, hey, you know what I'm saying? We did it from top to bottom, did engine bay, everything, from the clay bar to the paint correction. As you can see, look, it's a mirror. It's straight mirror.
We did a
ceramic coating.
3-stage paint correction. We took all the swirls, scratches, pretty much got it back to fucking original. You know what I mean? Back to fucking prestige condition. We tried our best. You know, I mean, there's certain things that don't come out, bro. But I mean, like I tell everybody, you're not gonna get everything out of the vehicle. You know what I mean? You try to get it as perfect as you can, and you know, do your best. But I think on this one, we did a.
Oh yeah, hey.
We got down.
This is bread and butter right here. Look, as you can see, look, we did the whole engine bay compartment. Everything crispy. Everything.
Looks good.
So, and then we come to the wheels. We took each wheel off completely, took it off, polished the front and back, took that off, put it back on. You can come look inside too. As you can see, just straight mirrors throughout the whole vehicle.
It's perfect.
As you can see, detailed the whole inside. Put the floor mats, put the plastic, put some little bit of leather conditioner on the dash, just to shine it up.
Smells good too.
Hey, just to show you a little bit of we do our product, Renegade.
Renegade?
So, you know, I stick to this brand because they haven't done me wrong. I mean, hopefully they can sponsor me from here. So we did a whole polish, right?
Yeah, I mean, they came out good, man.
Oh yeah, I got something for you. Give me 1 second.
So on this cover,
On the
we
button
did
cover?
textile carpet fabric from System X, right?
You can put it on any fabric, suede. You can put it basically on your shoes, your hat. You can do anything. So right now, we sprayed it all across it. We let it cure for about probably like I'd say an hour and a half. So now you can see like once he puts it, just watch.
That's crazy. Yeah? That's crazy.
You ever play Snake? You ever play Snake on the old phone? That's Snake.
So System X is one of our brands that we use a lot. It's probably one of the best brands other than Ceramic Pro. So hopefully they can sponsor us too.
And it just dabs up just like that.
Dabbed
You
up.
know that? Like it was never there. That's crazy. Look at that gloss, guys. It looks like it's wet. Right? Like, so it's gonna look like that always wet.
Yeah. So all you gotta do is just foam wash it, maybe a little hand wash. I mean, like I tell everybody, like, I mean, even if you have ceramic coating, bro, it's not unbeatable. It's not. It's gonna get, you know, dirty. I mean, a lot of people think, oh, it has ceramic coating, nothing's gonna happen to the vehicle. I mean, it is. It's gonna get dirty. All you gotta do is keep up the maintenance and you know, foam wash it, chamois it, and then dry it, and then use our.
Please do not put it through a touch. Like
No, never.
no brush, no brush.
So we use this one just for a maintenance, right?
Okay.
So instead of it's kind of like a spray wax, it's like a quick detailer. And so this will do is just add more ceramic to the vehicle.
There's already a coat on it. So that right there is just gonna basically just put another coat on top.
I hate crunch times, bro. I hate crunch times.
Hey, man.
What is it?
Yeah.
Thursday.
Hey.
We're leaving at 8 o'clock. It's 6:30 on the dot. Do we have to give it away?
How you like it, bro? You like it or what?
It's good.
For sure, for sure.
Damn, bro, shit was clean. Remember? Fuck yeah.
Bro, everything is ceramic
Damn.
coating.
Fucking wheels
Your
come out
plastic?
fresh.
Yeah, we took each wheel off, bro,
Okay.
and polished each wheel by hand. You know what I'm saying? I did all the inserts, and then Miguel went back with the polisher, and he went and did the faces, everything. We did the front and back for you.
You want to do some elbow grease, bro? That shit wasn't gonna come out with elbow grease.
Miguel, hey, you want to show him what his top is like?
So this is what we use here for the ceramic coat or what?
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro.
That's the brand?
So
everything.
one of our sponsors that we've been using, and
Okay.
you know, they're probably one of the best ones in the market.
Okay.
Besides Ceramic Pro.
Bro, this
So,
one right here, look, you can see.
What is this test right here? The water test or what?
Yeah, look,
The
this is a
test?
water test. Look, you can see, like it cured for about 10 hours or whatever. And
It
so-
cured overnight.
Overnight?
Look, you can see, look, watch. Go.
It's so mad. I'll be doing it. Yeah, the snake game.
Yeah, that's what I said, bro.
That's what we're doing this weekend, bro, at Chicago. We're gonna be fucking around with it. Comes right off.
Bro, you just dab it.
That's it.
But let's say it's raining, bro. Fucking water will beat off
Yeah, if you're hauling ass in the truck
just
or
come
whatever,
out.
yeah, it would just fly
Or
off.
si le echo aire también, se le sale.
Yeah, I was gonna show you, but I didn't want to make a fucking hook up shit. But yeah, if you got like, if even the whole fucking truck gets wet, all you gotta do is with the blowaway.
You got a whole protected on your vehicle.
Everything. Paint, the bed cover, todo el rollo.
Your lights, your back windshield.
Oh, wait, the fucking windows, they came out fresh too.
Don't look at this. Look, this one didn't. I tried.
Pero se le quitó un chingo como quiera.
Yeah, no, look at this.
Se le quedó un chingo.
It's just distracting.
Ah, damn, pero esto es para que se quede dentro del showroom floor, güey.
Honestly.
Hey, fuck the raffle. Hey, let's keep it.
Sorry, guys.
Nah, nah,
It's over. No, hombre, qué chulada de troca, está bien chingona.
You happy?
Wow,
That's the main thing. That's the main thing that we wanted to do to make sure that you were happy with the truck.
Hell yeah. Damn, for being a 91, I don't
Hey,
think there's
but
another one out there looking like this.
Yeah.
This clean, from paint to interior to engine bay.
So maybe the next truck will be a wrap, man. Or something.
Yeah, now we know. Shit, you're close by too.
And we're here to fucking help each other out. I mean, you know, you support me, I support you, and we keep on rolling, bro.
That's right. That's what it's all about. Well, shit, man, came out fucking
Like it
fresh.
up?
Came out good, bro. Came out really good. And just in time for Chicago. Appreciate it, bro. Came out really good.
Hey, hopefully you win something, way.
Yeah,
Badass fucking truck.
That turns some head. As long as the people love it, which I'm pretty sure they are. I mean, shit, it's already getting a lot of attention.
Yeah.
But it looks fucking good. I'm excited to cruise.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I came out fresh. I appreciate it. Came out really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So good. Yeah. Time for a cruise, bro. Load it up.
Let's go.
It's out.